Grilled s'mores.
It's a grill. What are you using?
Nutella, marshmallows, and cinnamon raisin bread.
Okay. And a cast iron skillet on a campfire. Hillbilly style.
Yep.
That looks good.
I can't tell if...
Well, just...
She's right. We need a spatula, probably.
Is this part hot right here?
Let me go get a spatula.
No, I'm holding it out.
Where's she going?
She's going to get a spatula. It's kind of...
Oh, she never went out?
It is kind of...
Squishy?
kind of was burning there a little bit, so I'm kind of trying to hold it off of the fire.
That'd be my guess.
Well, hopefully it'll... She gets a the marshmallows are melting.
Yeah, I'm sure they are. Can't imagine that combination, but okay.
Well, I like cinnamon toast. Oh. And this isn't hot right here, so I can kind of hold it out. It smells good. It smells like a cinnamon roll. It smells like a cinnamon roll. Yeah. I tell you, come over here, you won't be cold. You're okay, baby. You're okay. She coming?
She said it wasn't any better by...
Move this a little bit away from the fire.
Yeah, but Jill gave me not the phone. I told her, she said Gladville and Cipro, and I can't take either of them. She goes, those are the two, which might actually tell me the same thing. Those are the two despite diverticulitis.
She's trying to find a spatula.
So we had to go to
So I'm hoping that it won't burn by the time she gets back. Well, stay tuned for part 2. We're going to try this. Oh, is she coming? I held it out, Char, so it wouldn't burn.
Okay. Yeah, well, you have to...
Look at the marshmallows are melting good, aren't they?
Yeah, they are melting good. So I kind of just set it like that. We got to
Like set back on the fire and let it grill?
Yeah, well, looks like it's grilling pretty good.
Well, that ain't what I wanted to do.
My hands are burning.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. Okay.
Stay tuned for part 3. We're going to taste this.
And so now when he